Yeah. Yep. Gotta wait.
Why do you?
Wait, I don't know who that is. That's cool. I'm talking about this. He's from.
Is he from?
Okay. Disney dog trivia. Okay.
The sheepdog.
Yeah. Back up.
Okay. Why would we write it there with you? Oh, sorry.
Okay. So you got Max from Little Mermaid.
From what? From what?
Max.
Oh.
And then this one's Percy. Little lady. Now, Cat, you got Oliver, Marie, Toulouse, Two Girls, and Rover.
Oh. Damn. Just started. The rain just started too. Yeah.
Stop.
Mickey stuff here. What's that? Huh? Hula Matata. This. Where? Right there?
Okay.
Yeah.
Hi guys, how are you?
Good, how are you doing? Yeah.
Yellow one too.
All new?
That's new.
Yep. Everybody start coming back. Yeah. Shirt here too. They got Jack too. Yeah.
I thought you should watch it with me last night. These zeros.
Yeah. Yep.
For Halloween and coming here.
That's cool.
The whole month of
Army button. Nope.
Not every day.
Push button on zeros.
Yeah,
there.
right here.
Doesn't
Not
work.
working. Nope.
Pardon me, I'm
It's
so
fine.
sorry. All the way under.
It's not helpful.
But I chose the Jack one. This is haunted mansion. And I think this is that the one that has, yeah, it goes in the dark.
Cool, huh?
And right now I'm Saki.
You have your Mickey lollipop,
Yep.
candy.
That is nice.
There's a pumpkin Mickey in the
Yeah.
front as an emblem.
It's nice though. Somebody wants spirit jersey. I like this one too. That's nice.
What is that? Teapot?
Yeah. $25 for that.
This fabric, you probably would wear that more often.
Yep, I agree. Yeah. So what do you want to do? We'll walk around over there. Yep. Yeah. Yep. Nice and breezy over here.
Wheelchairs up in their ankles, you know what I'm saying?
It's still raining a lot. Let me look at the thing. Oh, someone's there. Just checking the radar.
Listen. 10% 7.
Still raining. Yep. So right now it's 2:50. Probably another 10 minutes. It should stop. 10 minutes. So it's starting to die down, so. Yep. Kuna Matata.
You guys need to be going with me.
But no one is there now.
inside the wallet.
Yeah.
Nice and roomy.
Yeah. So what you want to do now? Cash out? Check out the store? Okay. Why is that? Yeah. Walk this way. I haven't looked more leggings. Frogs. Huh? Yeah. It's top already. See? Yeah.
Just so that you're aware, man, we have a 2020 promotion going on. You buy one from our 20 catalog, get one free.
Okay. Okay. So after this, go check the other stores too.
Oh my goodness.
Oh! Anything else? That's it, right?
Yep.
Okay.